Tappy activated. Get ready for an ultra-important data transfer, a step-by-step guide to stake Ethereum using Lido. It's simple and only takes a few minutes. Here's the algorithm. You install a compatible crypto wallet that can support stETH tokens. Make sure to fund your wallet with the ETH you want to stake. Then you go to the Lido Staking Portal and visit the Lido Staking page. Click on Stake Ether and connect your wallet when prompted. Uploading your next step. Choose how much ETH you want to stake. It can be any amount. There's no minimum. You'll need to approve 2 transactions in your wallet. One to allow Lido to stake your ETH and another to send you stETH tokens in return. Once you're done with these steps, your stETH will appear in your wallet. Its balance will increase as staking rewards come in. At any time, you can exchange your stETH for ETH plus rewards on a decentralized exchange or redeem it directly through Lido. Sounds like even a young bot can manage it. I gotta reboot, friends. We'll continue in the next video. Tappy deactivated.